Hi, I'm Alia. So today I want to do a video about the verb to be, so biti in Slovenian language. So let's just start. I will conjugate for I am, you are, he, she is. Alright? So let's start. Jaz sem, ti si, on, ona je. Okay? I am, jaz sem, ti si, you are, on, ona, he, she, je, is. Okay, so an example. Jaz sem Alia. I am Alia. Ti si študent. You are a student. Ona je doma. She is at home. On je v Kopru. He is in Koper. Okay? And for the past, it is jaz sem bila. Ti si bil. On je bil, ona je bila. Jaz sem bila, I was. Ti si bil, you were. On je bil, he was. Ona je bila, she was. Okay, and examples. Jaz sem bila na počitnicah. I was on vacation, or I was on holiday. Ti si bil v kopalnici. You were in the bathroom. On je bil na morju. He was at the seaside. Ona je bila v šoli. She was at school. Okay, and for future, jaz bom, ti boš, on, ona bo. Jaz bom, I will, ti boš, you will, on, ona bo, he, she will. Okay, so. Jaz bom v Ljubljani. I will be in Ljubljana. Ti boš v Kopru. You will be in Koper. On bo doma. He will be at home. Ona bo v šoli. She will be in school. Okay, or at school. Okay, so I hope this makes sense. Just a very short video as an introduction to the verb to be. So I'll see you soon, and if you have any suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I'll see you soon. Bye!